In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images on Google Sites fast and easy. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, so let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Google Sites. If you're unfamiliar with Google Sites, it's a straightforward and user-friendly platform for creating websites. You can access it by typing Google Sites into your search bar or directly visiting sites google.com. Once you're there, ensure you're logged into your Google account to access all your existing projects. Now that we're on the Google Sites homepage, let's move on to the next step, selecting your site. Click on the site where you want to resize an image. This will bring you to the editing interface where you can make changes to your site's content and layout. If you haven't created your site yet, take a moment to start a new project or select a template. This is a fantastic way to get comfortable with the interface. Once you're in your site's editing mode, locate the image you want to resize. This is where the magic happens. Click on the image itself, and you'll notice that small blue handles appear around the edges. These handles are your tools for resizing. To resize the image, click and drag these handles. You can drag from any corner to adjust the image to your desired size while maintaining its aspect ratio. If that doesn't work, you can also drag the side handles to stretch or compress the image horizontally or vertically. Feel free to experiment a little, as you can always undo actions if needed. Resizing images is not only about aesthetics, but also about optimizing load times and user experience, so keep that in mind as you adjust your visuals. Now that your image is perfectly resized, let's ensure those changes are reflected for anyone visiting your site. It's time to publish your changes. On the top right corner, you'll see a button labeled Publish. Go ahead and click it. This step is crucial because if you don't publish, your changes will not be live for your viewers. After clicking Publish, you might need to reconfirm the site's web address or adjust visibility settings. But once that's done, your newly resized image is live. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to resize images on Google Sites. Remember, keeping your images well-sized can enhance your site's appearance and performance significantly. Don't hesitate to return to these steps whenever you need to tweak things or if you're managing multiple sites. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of Google Sites. Happy site editing!